Hello students, welcome to right back again in my e-video session, e-video teaching session. Here I am creating the video for class 10 in which I shall explain again about the symptoms of stress. That is the second topic of chapter 1 of unit 2. Students, as in the last video, I already explained about the meaning of stress and how it is caused. Students, as you know, stress caused by different psychological situations such as angry, frustration, anxious, annoyance, etc. So, as we all experience this all stress differently, but some of the common effects and symptoms of stress are difficult in sleeping. Symptoms of stress are difficulty in sleeping, weight gain or loss, stomachache, irritability, teeth grinding, panic attacks, excessive sweating of hands and feet, heartburn, headache, nausea, fatigue, social isolation, emotional breakdown, obsessive behavior, etc. Now, in your book, there is a list given that is known as the signs and symptoms of stress. So, we'll better have to discuss about this all the listed content, listed points that is referred to be as the symptoms of the stress. So, what are these all the symptoms? So, first one is tremors, trembling of lips and hands. If we are in a stress, then we feel sometime it is found that the patient or the person begins to start to tremble their lips. Second one is back pain and neck ache. Next one is the faintness. Next one is ringing in the ears. You will hear some undue sounds in our ear. Cold or sweaty hands or feet. Frequent cold, frequent allergy attack, constipation, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, sighing, sudden attacks of panic, chest pain, excess anxiety, worry, guilt, increased anger, depression, frequent or intense mood, increased or decreased appetite, disturbing dreams. You will generally, when we sleep, we basically have the disturbing dreams in our sleeping. So this is also a reason of the stress. Difficult concentrating, you will feel that our concentration is not proper. Forgetfulness, difficulty in making decision, and nervous habits, increased frustration, overreaction to petty annoyances, and rapid or mumbled speech, frequent use of over-the-counter drugs, weight gain or loss without diet. So these all are the different symptoms of the stress basically found in the human being. As students, as we know, a stress-free life for anyone is not possible. So it would be better to learn how can we escape the pressure and confusion of the modern living, how to react to the pressure and develop the skills that can help us in coping with a stressful situation and reduce the impact of the stress on our body. So here we have to learn about the few factors which must be considered as a plan to manage the stress. So first one is understand the stress. First, we'll have to minutely know about the meaning of the stress. We'll have to understand the stress. Second one, is to know about the sources of stress, from where the stress is coming. After that, would be possible is to control that all kinds of psychological effect on our mind. So we'll have to know about the sources of stress. Third one is stress. Learn the signals of stress. We'll have to know about the signals of stress. Basically, when we are in stress, then a particular kinds of signal is simply sent to our brain. So we'll have to know about that one kind of signals. Next one is recognize the stress strategies, and last one is the implement the healthy stress management strategies. We'll have to implement the healthy stress management strategies. After that, would be possible to control our stress. Next one is make self-care a priority, because if I am, then the other one. So that's why we'll better have to think over it. Make self-care a priority. We'll have to keep the prior things as to self-care. And then last one, the ask for support when needed. You do not feel any hesitation if we require something from the others, so feel free to ask anything from others. So these all are the different factors that can better be adopted by the person is to reduce the effect of the stress on our mind. So after this point, we have completed the symptoms related to the stress. So in next video, I will start to explain the other one topic. So have a nice day and thank you.